Not gonna lie, fellas, this place is pretty incredible. We've gone through rain, hail, wind, and some nice weather too. Hey, there's some horse poop. Horse poop. Awesome. Cool is this stuff. Starting to rain again. We'll take you with me through a rainstorm for a moment. Oh, that might have just been the wind blowing stuff in the trees. I don't know. Nope, that's clearly a rainstorm. Again, this is mild nothing compared to the ones we were in. Don't slip now. Technical. There we are. That's the way it goes sometimes. It looks like we got another river crossing coming up. Might have to put this guy away here. This is pretty technical right here. All right, until next time, that was fun. Thank you very much. Is that bear poop?
I don't know, man.
That was an interesting poop. Hey bear. Hey bear. Hey bear.
Hard to tell if it's fresh because it's been raining.
Yeah, exactly. It's gonna be moist either way. Sunshine. What? Woo! Stomach's growling again a little bit. It's okay, I'm gonna hold off. Maybe take a break before we go up. Still got that breakfast and dinner. Yeah. But it could be easily cooked up. So interested in that breakfast. Alright, take it easy with the camera here. A little pond down there. Pretty neat.
You going through there with it?
Hey, bear. This way for a few. Mm-hmm.
Animals can poop anywhere, but we gotta bury our poop.
Huh?
Animals can poop anywhere, but we gotta bury our poop.
I was thinking the same thing, right? That's flawed. System is tilted. Yeah, our poop is just as good as theirs, man.
Just as good.
Man, my lips are so chapped.
Yeah. That's right there.
I actually haven't seen how bad they look. Do they look bad?
No.
Good. Fine. They feel really bad. They feel like they would look really bad. That bug just flew my eye.
gonna look sick. The worldview, you know?
Let me get it without the shadow of the stick. I guess I can remove that. Cool.
We're at the end of East Maroon Trail.
Holy cow.
Switching
What?
over to West Maroon.
What an epic trail. Yeah, and if it's a push up, let's fuel up, man. I need to fuel up. Oop, there's a bunch of poop. Huh. Damn.
Those look like maroon bells to me. See the same thing from the other side.
Yeah, okay. Ah, another human being.
How's it going?
Great. How are you?
Good. Where'd you guys start from?
We came down from Copper Lake,
Okay.
Crested Butte,
Okay, nice.
and
How many days?
just 2.
All right.
Yeah, where are you going?
Just day hiking as far as I
Sweet.
can get.
Right on.
You know, like it was raining pretty hard when I got to the trailhead this morning, so I
Yeah.
got a little later start. You guys probably got hammered, huh?
Hammered, hail, rain, you name it. There's a moose, I'd say a mile down on your right.
Okay.
Really beautiful moose.
Nice. Very cool.
Yeah.
Nice. I envy you guys. Is there a lot of snow on the pass?
There
or-
it was. We went around some because I was like, went in.
Yeah. Very nice. So
Yeah, it's cool.
yeah, I'm gonna do this tomorrow. I'm gonna try to climb up Mount Sulphurus. I don't know if you guys have ever done that or.
No,
I'm gonna
we
give it a- give it a
summited
shot.
Mount Crested Butte
Nice.
2 days ago.
Okay, very nice.
Yeah, so
The flowers are pretty. So I don't know. You guys have probably seen a hell of a lot of flowers.
Yeah.
You get about a half mile down the trail,
Uh-huh.
and there's a carpet of columbines.
Oh,
Thousands and thousands of columbines.
Nice.
You'll run. You'll know what I'm saying when you see it.
awesome.
Yeah, very cool.
Very cool.
Yeah. Well, good luck to you
Thank
guys.
you, thank
Be
you.
safe going out.
We got the
And,
final stretch here.
What's that?
We got the final stretch.
Yeah, we're on
here.
a big push to
Yeah.
the end.
almost
Well,
done.
I'll go down and get something, cold to drink and
For sure.
something warm to eat.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
Cool, guys. Well, thanks for the update.
Yeah, you bet, man.
All right, you
Have a
be
great
safe.
hike.
Yeah, you too.
see you.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was the first person we've seen in 2 days. Yeah, since snakes, right, of course. He's gonna get to that nasty river crossing,
He probably won't cross.
and he's not gonna cross.
That was a while ago.
That was a long time ago. What day is today? Cool. How rad. Yeah, now we can actually somewhat sound serious.
What do you mean?
Talking to another hiker.
Oh, yeah, we're legit, man.
That's about as legit as hiking gets. I think I've been nicely vetted. I think we have been nicely vetted as hikers.
See what the ladies say.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that'll be the final call. Always. In my mind, Patrick, you are fully vetted, honored, trail leader, area expert, Patrick Thomas. So
This was an undertaking.
what I'm gonna do is I need to get photos for like a player introductions
Oh yeah.
at the preview at the start of the video, but make them like cool, you know, not like a sports thing, but like, I don't know,
You got plenty of footage, so we can always make a custom one.
right? But not necessarily a photo of you, Nate, Jess, or I related to hiking,
New York pizza tomorrow.
right? Huh. Perfect. Hey there, butterfly. Yo. Just when you think we were done with river crossings.
At least one more.
And chat, by the way, we've done at least like 16, 20, some of them been really bad. Yeah, oh, this is a little stream compared to the raging rapids we were traversing earlier. No problem on all these guys.
Never ending ridge on the left.
No doubt, no doubt.
Left around it somewhere. I think I can see the end of the ridge.
Huh?
It's a never ending ridge on the left that we're gonna eventually turn.
It's
left.
gonna go around it to,
Yeah. Should be up
cool. But it goes around this ridge right here.
there. Yeah. Eventually, because it's just
Sounds great.